Hey, welcome guys. So I'm Rick and this channel is called The Crypto Guide. I just want to put this out right at the start. If you like my videos, click like and subscribe, and share with other people if this this videos are a blessing to you. You can learn something. So I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not a professional. By the way, I have not made millions. I got in 2020 with very limited money. I have made money and I've lost money. So that's why I call this channel The Crypto Guide, because I'm going to tell you things as I've been on this walk now for 3 years, and I've learned both mistakes and I've learned how to do some things right. So today I want to talk about Bitcoin, and Bitcoin is called the digital gold, and it's the most valuable. It's sitting around 34,000. So it's the first crypto out there. It's the most secure of the crypto. It's limited to a total of up to 21 million. So there's a rarity to it. It's secure. And so it's the gold of cryptocurrencies. Is it the one I'm investing in entirely? No, definitely not. But I have invested in it. Now I'm going to talk a bit about Bitcoin. What does it mean for you and me? Is it a currency? Yeah, it is actually. There are stores and there are certain places that will accept Bitcoin. You could walk up with your platform if you had it on your phone, and you could send it to them. They would receive it and you could buy something. Now, does that mean it's accepted at Walmart yet? No, it's not. However, there are machines like ATMs that are crypto machines that you can deposit your crypto and it'll put cash out. Now, they do have a pretty high fee, right? Of course, all those machines have high fees. So it is a currency, and but think of it like if you're buying and holding it and trying to make money, that's not a bad thing. In fact, people do that all the time with currencies. They might buy it, say Japanese yen, when the price drops, thinking it's going to go back up. There are people who make money just buying and selling currencies. So you can make money with Bitcoin, and you can also lose money with Bitcoin. So right now it's sitting around 34,000. Now, we have been in a season back in 2021 at the peak of the cryptocurrency market, the last peak. It hit $64,000, but then it came all the way down painfully to even under 17, so 16,000. But right now, it's worked its way back up to 34,000. Now, as something becomes more utilized and it becomes more rare, it becomes more valuable. So Bitcoin is going through some massive changes. Literally, could be this week. We're seeing financial institutions like banks. We're even seeing investors, investing funds, investing hedge funds are jumping in. And because crypto doesn't fall under a security, so the Securities and Exchange Commission monitors it, they're not actually allowed to touch it in the process of buying and selling for people. But they're creating this thing called a Bitcoin ETF or a spot ETF, which may come. And what they're doing is they're saying, for example, Coinbase, I believe, is holding for BlackRock. So BlackRock going to say, I want you to buy so many Bitcoin. And what we're going to do is we'll sell them, but you hold them. And so what we'll do is we'll sell them to this person. They'll have a document saying you own this Bitcoin, which Coinbase holds. So because it's not regulated, they had to have some way of getting into it. And that's actually could happen maybe this week, maybe next week. And what it's doing is because there's people buying into it, well, it's going up in value. There are people suggesting that it could hit 48,000 by the end of December, which is up quite a bit from 34,000, but it's already up 20% in the last 2 weeks. So we've gone through this stage of peak. We've gone through a real low. We've kind of tapered off. We stayed at 20,000 for a long time. And then what happened after 20,000? It crept up, and now we're up into the 34 range. So can you buy it, hold it like a stock? It's not a stock. Yeah, you can. And that's where I'm going with it. Now, some people, if you look at the crypto market, it's the most traded crypto. It trades over half of all the crypto Bitcoin. Why? Because people see it as value, so they buy it, goes up a little bit, and they turn on sell. Really like the stock market. So Bitcoin is both a currency and it's also something valuable to hold on to. But there is no guarantee in it. There's no guarantee in any of this. So if you're fearful of losing, say you invest 1,000 and you just can't afford to invest in 1,000, well, put what you can afford to lose. Say if you can afford to lose $100, well, put $100 in. Now, if you're a big roller and you can't lose 100, but you could lose 50, well, you do only what you can afford to lose. So I've lost money and I've made money. And as we go through this, I just encourage you now, I am not all in on Bitcoin. There are some people who are. I have a variety of things, and I'll talk more about that later. So Bitcoin, is it a currency? Yes. Is it something valuable to hold and make money? Yes. But can you lose money? Absolutely. So make sure you look in, and as maybe you haven't heard the word yet, do your own research. Okay? You should look. This is a retail. This is a retail's market, which means if you walk into a store and you buy something, you have to be responsible for your own actions. Now, there's no warranties or guarantees on this like there would be in some stores. So this is like any other thing that you buy and sell to hope to make money or hold. All right, so I hope that makes sense to you guys. Take care. We're gonna have we'll have some more things to discuss later. Take care. Bye-bye.